Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE S100 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. When you're ready, click on System. Now select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Lastly, just click on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing options are available over here. To manage them, click on the switches next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!